We've done multiple projects for Bellevue Baptist Church over the past 10 years, and most recently is the audio systems upgrade. This was included in the worship center, the fellowship hall, the broadcast studio, and a full acoustics package for the worship center.
We have high confidence in Paragon. Paragon took the lead.
The design process at Bellevue was fairly complex, as we were looking at more than just designing loudspeakers for an auditorium. We're also looking at weight loads, we're looking at sight lines, we're looking at acoustics, we're looking at input count, we're looking at capability of the broadcast control room to be able to simultaneously work in the fellowship hall as it does the worship center simultaneously.
When we started this project, we chose to work with Paragon 360. Throughout the design process, they were very helpful in working out the details of the design and found things that we may have missed.
Designing loudspeaker systems in large buildings can be very challenging. First and foremost, we want to ensure that speech intelligibility is premium in every seat. Secondarily, we want to make sure that this system is capable of everything that's thrown at it, from traditional worship all the way to very modern worship. At Paragon, we have just about any loudspeaker manufacturer at our disposal to design from. And so throughout the modeling process, we were able to narrow it down to several manufacturers that would work in here. Fitting these into sight lines and weight restrictions, power requirements, were all key factors in what led us to make the decision to go with D&B loudspeakers for this project.
When we started the design process, we had a very long list of criteria that the system had to meet, and Paragon was able to walk through each one of those items and make sure that we had a solution for it and how it could be accomplished on the new system.
Our takeaways from the needs assessment are these systems need to last up to the next 20 years. Also, Bellevue is requesting the latest technology improvements. For example, the DiGiCo SD7 Quantum series is the latest technology in audio development. And third, they wanted inter-campus connectivity.
A major challenge that we had to overcome with this system was how we were going to get the new system integrated and functioning without missing a weekend service. With the PA going up, with the new consoles going in, with all the stage racks getting ripped out and replaced, we were able to get the entire system done without missing a service or rehearsal.
Bellevue also needed an improvement to their choir monitor system. We deployed a close proximity system throughout their loft, and that solved many of the problems that they were facing. One of those is the destructive interference that happens with the front of house PA and the broadcast mix. Some of the other benefits from this type of monitoring include the elimination of timing issues and the capability of talkback functionality, which is not obtainable with traditional overhead monitors.
This was a pretty expansive installation for any company to do, and our team pulled it off with great success, and I'm very proud of that. It is one of the larger systems of this type to be installed anywhere that I know of in our country, and it is all operating seamlessly throughout their complex right now.
We knew going in how this would turn out. There wasn't a whole lot of skepticism, there was a lot of confidence. Wow, the end product is over the top.